Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources, and we're going to be looking at the intersection of two sets. Objectives are: 1, we're going to define intersection of two sets, including the symbol. Then we're going to draw a Venn diagram showing the intersection of two sets. 3, given the Venn diagram, we're going to be asked to list the members of the intersection. And then we're going to be given two sets, asked to draw the Venn diagram and then list the members of the intersection. Intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets is the listing of elements that are in both sets. So as you can see from the Venn diagram, we have shaded the middle, which is the elements there, is what is common in A and B. You see the symbol here used to represent the intercept, A intercept B. Using a Venn diagram, draw the intersection of two sets. So here we have the Venn diagram, and not really to draw, but to show the intersection. You might be asked to show by a diagram the intersection of two sets, and all you have to do is to shade in here. Okay, shade it in a little bit here. Said coloring is good for you. Alright, so we're going to shade in there. We can name this A and B. So I would say that that represents A intercept B. Okay, so I'm shading in the middle. Okay, good. Here we have our first example. The universal set are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. A is 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. And B is 2, 10, 12, and 14. And we're asked to list the members of A intercept B. So what happens, what my method usually is, you look at set A and B, and you circle what's common. And what's common is 10. There's a 10 in B and there's a 10 in A. There's a 12 in A and also a 12 in B. So you notice here, in this little area here, is where we would write those two members, 10 and 12. And you notice the answer is A intercept B is equals to 10 and 12 in curly brackets or whatever brackets you want to use, but they must be in brackets because you're listing the members of the set which are common. Example 2. Here we have the universal set 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. X is 1, 5, 9, 13. And Y is equals to 7, 9, 11, 13. So what I'm going to do first is circle what's common. So there's a 13 in X and there's a 13 in Y. Anything else? A 9. I'm going to circle 9 also. So I'm going to draw my Venn diagram, which is a rectangle. My circle must be overlapping. This is X, this is Y. So I have 9. I'm going to put that in a different color. 9. Oops. So 9 and 13 is in the middle. And then I'm going to write what is left. So what is left over is 1 and 5 for X. What is left over for Y is 7 and 11. And then we have to label this as the universal set. So I have 1 already. I have 5. I have 7, 9, 13, and 11. So what goes on the outside is 15 and 3. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the members of A intercept, the members of X 13. Your turn now. Here's your question. We are given a Venn diagram, as you can see here, and you're asked to list the members of X-intercept Y. Looking forward to seeing your answers in the chat below. This is Tatiana from Tatiana Math Resources. We looked at the intersection of two sets. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. Stay tuned for more.